So in this question, front view and top view is given. This is O point. In front view the O point is on left side, also on top view O point is on left side. Then this is a square of length 120 mm, total length 120 by 120, and in front view the length and height is 120 by 120. So in question, in this square again there is a one vertical line connecting through midpoint of opposite sides and horizontal line connecting to the midpoint of vertical lines. By this we get a small square of 60 by 60 mm. Now in top view, near to the O point in these two square there is a circle of 30 mm diameter each, and in front view here in upward square the center line and dashed line is shown. Also in this circle center line dash line is shown. It means that here in front view, that is in this front view, and near in upward square there is a circular hole, and in this square there is a circular hole. So in top view, near to observer lie here. So near to observer, these are the two circles. It means that these circular holes are near to the observer, and this square is these two squares are separated by a regular line. It means that this square is along a one plane and this square is along different plane. It means that this square has some height and this square has a different height. Okay. Similarly for this square and this square, these two squares are also at very different height. And in front view, these squares are separated by a regular line. It means that these squares are either at front, that is near to the observer, and or away from observer. Okay. Now we will see how to draw this isometric diagram. First we will draw a one horizontal line, then we will mark a one point, and from this point we will take 30 degree on both sides. So these are the two lines, 30 degree lines on both sides of this point. Then draw a perpendicular line from this point. So this is a basic outline for isometric diagram. I will name these axes for our reference, X, Y and Z. Now in question from O point in top view, the vertical axis is X and horizontal is Y. In front view, the vertical axis is Z, horizontal is Y. See here, if O point is on left side of diagram in question, then in answer the front view will be on the right side of Z axis. Okay. And so in front view, this is a Y axis, this is Z axis. So here this is Y axis and this is Z axis, and the in top view, so in front view this is a plane, and in top view this will be plane. So in top view, the vertical line, this is parallel to X and this is parallel to Y. So in top view, X axis is a vertical line in top view and Y axis is a horizontal line in top view. Now we will draw a rectangular box. In this case, this is a square. All dimensions are equal, that is 120, 120 and 120. So it will be a rectangular. It is a cuboid, or it is a box. It will be cube of 120 mm. So this is a cube of 120 by 120 mm. Now from O point at distance equal to 60 along y-axis there is a vertical line, and also at along x-axis at distance equal to 60 there is a horizontal line. So we will divide this cube into the upper surface. We will divide upper surface and this front view into two parts. Okay, so square will be divided into 4 parts. So this line is divided into 2 parts from midpoint. So this top surface square is divided into 4 equal parts, and also this front view is divided into 4 equal parts. So like this we will get the 8 parts of cube, 8 parts of this 12 mm 120 mm cube. So this is our basic outline. Now in question, a regular line means that a line separates two squares. It means that these two squares, the plane of these two squares are at different height or at different length. Okay, so if in top view, suppose this square and this square is separated by this line, it means that this square will has a this square has, suppose this square will be at top and this square will be at bottom, or this square will be at top and this square will be at bottom. Okay, and see here in front view, this circle, after taking the projection of circle we will get these dotted lines, right, and center point will give center line. It means that there is a circular hole from top surface to middle surface, from top to midpoint. Okay, so height wise from top to at mid surface there is a cylindrical or circular hole. So it means that on left side of this square has a circular hole. It means that this plane, this circle, this square is on top surface. Okay, so here it will be a circle, and see from along y direction in this square there is again circular hole, but it is started from mid at z is equal to 60 and end at z is equal to 0. So this circular hole, but this circular hole is not at this top surface, it is at mid surface. Okay, so it means that this part is absent. So we will erase this part, and on lower surface, that is on middle surface, at this point circle will start. Here it will be a circle and circular hole. Okay, likewise in front view area, so this is a cylindrical hole, this is cylindrical hole, and this square is separated by a regular line with this square, right? It means that this square is at either front or at back side, and vice versa. This square will be either at back or at front side. So these two planes are different. That's why these two squares are separated by a regular line. And now we know that this square has a circular hole and it is on top side. It means that this top square is present, and top square is at front side, that is near to the observer along front view's arrow. It is near to the observer, and this square is behind, that is it is behind, it's somewhat at back side of this plane. So this cube is again absent. So I will remove this cube and I will draw internal lines for these cubes. Now again, this square is separated by this line with this square, so it means that this square is again, this cube is again absent. Now I will connect this point. See here. Now I will make it dark visible part, so these sides of cube are visible. So this is our answer. Now we will draw circular hole in this surface and this surface. So first take midpoint of this rhombus. This is a rhombus, right? So we'll take midpoint of the sides and we'll. So we have taken midpoint of this line at 30 mm and this also line 30 mm. Then drawn a parallel line to the y-axis from this midpoint up to opposite side, and also from this midpoint to opposite side parallel to x-axis. So we will get a center point of rhombus. Now from center point of rhombus on this horizontal line that is parallel to y, we will take 1.5 centimeter on both sides, because the inner diameter, the circle of inner diameter is 30 mm. So we have to take rhombus of 30 by 30 mm. So for that we have taken this point on 1.5 on both sides. Also on this line we will take 1.5 on both sides. So from this point we will draw a line parallel to this line, parallel to this line, and we will get a small rhombus parallel to concentric with outer rhombus. Now with the help of 4 center method, we will draw a isometric circle in this small rhombus. Sometimes points on these isometric circles are not matches, so you can manipulate the center point. Now to draw rhombus on this surface, I have taken line from this point to this point, but this line is actually invisible here in this answer. Okay, so that's why I have taken it very faint. So only this part of circle is visible, this is not visible. So only this, draw this part. Now you can erase this part because it is not visible here. Okay. And then draw the dimensions. So final answer will look like this.